Hey, this is JD and FIA. I'm going to show you a 5-1 chord progression you can do. I'm going to show it to you in several keys. Gives you a nice sound. Alright, I'm going to show it to you and show you how you can use it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just taking a 5-1, the 5th note of my scale, and then the 1st note of my scale. And that's going to be my strongest progression in music anyway, as far as chord progressions go. So a lot of times you'll find yourself using that progression, especially coming out of a 2 chord. Alright, so basically what I'm doing, I'm going to tell you, show you an easy way to learn this chord and all across the keyboard. Alright, so I start off in the key of C, as if we was playing in C. Alright, our 5 chord is going to be G. Alright, so all we're going to do is we're going to play the G and the D on our left hand, the 1 and 5 of G. And then on the right hand, we're going to go back a whole step to the F. And so F is a whole step back from G. And we're going to play a major 7 chord with our right hand. So F major 7 chord, F, A, C, and E. And that's going to be my chord. Alright, if I want to stretch it out, I'll play the G, D, and the G. And then the F, A, C, E. Now let's look at this so we'll know what the chord is. In terms of G, you're going to look at it in terms of G. The F is going to be the dominant 7. The A here is going to be the 9. The C away from G is going to be our sus, or 4th, or 11th. But we're going to call it our sus. Alright, and then the E away from G is our 13. So that's going to give us a G13 sus. Alright, and all I'm doing is walking down whole steps from the top. So I got E down to D down to C, and then I'm going to play my 1 chord, alright, which is going to be my C. Now for my 1 chord, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same 5 chord I just played, which is G, and I'm going to play that in my right hand. I could just play a regular G triad, G, B, and D. Alright, that's going to resolve me. So let me let you hear it. And then I'll break down that G chord, that C chord for you. Alright, so I'm playing my 5 with my left hand, the G, D, and the G, 5 with my scale. In my right hand, I'm playing the whole step back, the F, major 7 chord, walking down whole steps, and then I'm going to play a G major chord on my right hand and go to C on my left hand. So we got, alright. I played the B here to make it a major 7 on my left hand too. Alright. If I wanted to do that in other keys, alright, I'm going to use the same principle. I'm going to go to that 5, that 5th note of that scale, go back a whole step, play a major 7 chord, and then I'm going to go to the 1 on my left hand, and I'm going to play a 5 chord in my right hand. Alright. So say I want to do it in the key of D flat. My 5 chord is going to be A flat. Alright, so I'm going to look at A flat, I'm going to go a whole step back, that's going to put me on G flat, and I'm going to play a G flat major 7 chord. That's going to be my chord. So looking at it from A flat, it's still going to be the same. G flat is going to be my dominant 7, B flat is going to be my 9, the D flat here is going to be my sus, and the F is going to be my 13. Walk down whole steps. And we're going to play the 5 chord of D flat, which is the chord I'm on right now, the A flat. I'm going to play that in my right hand. Alright? And then when I do that, I didn't break this down in the previous key. But so I got my 1, my 5, my 1. Alright? A flat is going to be my 5 again. C is going to be my major 7. E flat is going to be my 9. So I got a D flat major 9 chord. Alright, look at it from E flat. A lot of people play E flat. Alright, go to my 5, which is B flat. Go back a whole step, which is A flat, play an A flat major 7 chord. Walk it down whole steps. And we're going to play a B flat major chord in my right hand. Alright. Go to the key I like to play in, G flat. 5 chord. It's going to be D flat. Walk down whole steps. Play play that same 5 chord in the right hand. Let's see. A flat. Then I do some white keys. 5 chord is gonna be E flat. Alright, go back a whole step. That's gonna put me on D flat. So I'm playing a D flat major 7 chord. Alright, and then I'm gonna go to the 5 chord in my right hand, which is gonna be E flat major, and go to the 1 of our left hand. Alright. Let's look at a couple of white keys. D major. 5 chord in the key of D is A. So I'm gonna go back a whole step and play a G major 7 chord. Alright, come up here. It's gonna put me here. Walk down whole steps, and then I'm gonna play, since I'm playing in the key of D, I'm gonna play that same 5 chord, A in my right hand. A major chord. So you really don't even have to, you can just play it when it's time to play it. Alright. Yeah, I think that pretty much does it. I mean, same principle, just go to that 5. Alright, go back a whole step, play the major 7 chord. Alright. Come back to the 1. So in G flat, that'll be left hand D flat, A flat, right hand B, E flat, G flat, B flat. So I should have called this C flat. Alright, walk down whole steps to that major 7 chord. Alright, hope that helped. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.